So, in this video, we are going to see how to use the web UI of LocalGPT as I mentioned in my last video. This is part 4 of our LocalGPT video series where we go through the step-by-step procedure of how to install LocalGPT and run it without errors. In the last video, we saw how to upload documents and change models in LocalGPT. If you haven't watched it, please view those videos first. I will provide all the links in the description for your convenience. Now I think we are ready to go. First, we open our Conda terminal. Then, we navigate inside our LocalGPT folder using the cd or change directory command. Now we use the Conda activate command to activate our Conda terminal. Use the cls command to clear the screen. If you want to see all the directories present in your system, you can use the dir command. So in the last video, we used the Python ingest command. This command is basically used to embed the text of your system into the vector database. If you have already executed this command in the past, you do not need to do this every time. Use this command only when you upload a new document, right? Now, we are going to use two terminals. One is for the API, which will work as a server, and the other one is for running the web UI. So, use the command python run LocalGPT API, and then hit enter. As we know, BLAS is equal to 0, which means LocalGPT is running on our CPU power. Now, we need to open our second terminal for our web UI. Let me open the second terminal. Now, it's done. In the second terminal, repeat the same command to activate our Conda environment. You can use Conda info environments to see all the created Conda environments. Use the same command to activate the Conda environment. Then, go inside your LocalGPT folder using the cd command. Now let me show you something. Go to your LocalGPT folder, open it. Here you see a folder named LocalGPT UI. Open it. Inside this folder, you see a file named LocalGPT UI. This is the file that we are going to use. Above, you see the location of this file. It is inside our GPT folder. Now go back to our terminal and use the cd command to go inside this folder containing our UI file. After completing all these steps, execute this final command, python local gpt UAE. You can find all the commands in the description. Below, you'll see an HTTP link. Open this link with any browser. So this is our LocalGPT web UI. Here you have a prompt area, tutorial button, search button, and upload button. In the tutorial, you'll find all the instructions on how to use it effectively. Using the upload button, you can upload your document. In the prompt area, you can type your query. For example, type, "Tell me about TaskWeaver in short," then click on Search. After some time, it generates results based on our query. To validate the results, below, we have sources from which the model generated this answer. Let me ask one more question. Tell me 3 advantages of TaskWeaver. After some time, it provides me with the result. So, this concludes part 4 of our video series. In part 5, we will see how to enable GPU in LocalGPT. Hope you will like this video and unlock the future with us. Subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights.